This is the first chorus of What a Beautiful Name, Agnus Dei. And we're playing some arpeggiating things in the left hand, D, A, D. So it's 1, 5, 1. And we start playing, actually play a D2 chord, if you think. It's what we keep getting back to and kind of revolving around. So the first part is like, then I play an F sharp and an A, then an E. So to put that together, it sounds like this. That's going to repeat again. The next chord's A over C sharp, which we'll play the C sharp, E, and A, which is actually an A first inversion chord, but we're going to arpeggiate it like this. Then the same thing. Then when we get to the B minor 7th part, we're going to play B, F sharp, B, which is the 1, 5, 1 of B minor. Then the right hand will go. Same thing for the left hand, right hand for the A, E, A. Then just kind of rake up this D2 chord as we get to G. So that whole first section is down to the A over C sharp. Here's the B minor section, A section, G. Okay, then the second half of the chorus is a D over F sharp. So we already got the D right here in our finger, so I'll go up and get the F sharp. So F sharp, D, F sharp. We'll repeat the same pattern we've been repeating for the D and the A over C sharp in the right hand. So, but the left hand's F sharp, D, F sharp like this. Then the A over C sharp's the same, C sharp, E, A. Then the B minor section has this long, it's still 1, 5, 1 in the left hand, so B, F sharp, B, but it has this long piece that walks all the way to the A. It's like this. I'll play it slow. Then C sharp, D, F sharp, switch your thumb under to the A, D. When I get to the C sharp, I'm going to the A, E, A in my left hand. And then when I get to the G, I'm just playing a single A note. It kind of makes it a G2. So that whole section is like this. So we're starting on the F sharp, because it's D over F sharp. So that whole section is A over C sharp. Here's that long section.